Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today we are diving deep into one of the most exciting and luxurious compact Class C diesel motorhomes you can buy, the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz. Renegade RV has always been a name associated with craftsmanship, luxury, and smart design. And with the 2026 Veracruz, they've taken everything people love about this model and refined it to a whole new level. This is the perfect option for those who want the power and capability of a Super C coach, but in a more maneuverable and compact size without compromising on the upscale features you'd expect in a premium motorhome. From the outside, the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz immediately commands attention. Built on the robust Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis, this coach not only looks tough but is engineered to perform. The exterior paint options have been refreshed for 2026, with bold full-body paint schemes such as Boost, Camber, Redline, and Trail Boss, all finished in a high-gloss protective coating that not only enhances the look but also ensures long-term durability. The large one-piece panoramic windshield up front gives the driver excellent visibility while adding to the sleek and modern design of the cab. LED lighting is integrated throughout the exterior, including sharp daytime running lights, low-energy marker lamps, and stylish tail lights. The power retractable entry step, electric awning with LED lighting strip, and generous basement storage compartments make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the clean lines of the fiberglass exterior walls and the flush-mounted frameless windows, which not only look upscale but also improve insulation. Renegade has included plenty of lockable storage bays, giving you ample space to carry outdoor gear, camping furniture, or even small tools and equipment. The Veracruz also offers an outdoor entertainment center option, complete with a large LED TV, speakers, and a soundbar, making it perfect for tailgating or enjoying movie nights under the stars. The fit and finish on the outside is excellent, and you can tell Renegade pays attention to the details, from the sealed edges around compartments to the stainless steel exterior hardware. Step inside, and you are immediately surrounded by luxury. The 2026 Veracruz offers multiple floor plans, including the popular 30 VRM and 32 VDS layouts, both designed to maximize space and comfort. The interior decor has been refreshed with new wood stains, matte black hardware, and rich fabric and leatherette seating options. Solid surface countertops, real hardwood cabinetry, and residential-style vinyl flooring give the space a warm, upscale feel while also being practical and easy to clean. Large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, and soft-touch ceiling panels help with sound insulation, creating a peaceful and relaxing environment. The cab area features modern driver and passenger seats with multiple adjustments, armrests, and integrated seat belts. The dash is equipped with an 8-inch LCD touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. Multiple USB ports and 12-volt outlets are conveniently placed for charging devices. The driving position feels commanding thanks to the elevated view, and with the F-550 chassis, the Veracruz handles like a capable truck while still providing the comforts of a luxury RV. In the living area, you can choose between a sofa, theater seating, or a convertible dinette, depending on your floor plan preference. The seating is plush and supportive, making it a comfortable spot for relaxing after a day on the road. Many layouts also feature a cab-over bunk, providing extra sleeping space for guests or kids. Overhead cabinets offer generous storage for travel essentials, while LED ceiling lights and accent lighting create a cozy atmosphere in the evenings. The kitchen in the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz is a chef's dream for an RV of this size. You get a residential-style stainless steel sink with a pull-down sprayer faucet, a high-output propane cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a full-size 18-cubic-foot residential refrigerator. There's plenty of counter space for meal prep, and with multiple drawers and cabinets, you can store everything from cookware to pantry items. Solid surface covers for the sink and stove add more usable workspace when needed. Sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. In the rear, you'll find a true residential queen or optional king-size bed, complete with a premium mattress, overhead storage cabinets, and reading lights. Large wardrobes and dresser drawers make it easy to bring along plenty of clothing for extended trips. Windows on either side of the bed provide cross-ventilation and natural light, while blackout shades ensure a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome of this size. You'll find a residential-style shower with a glass door, a porcelain toilet, and a solid surface vanity with a stainless steel sink. A skylight above the shower adds extra headroom and natural light. Renegade also includes a max air ventilation fan to keep the bathroom fresh. Performance is where the Veracruz truly shines. Powered by the Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine producing 330 horsepower and 825 pound-feet of torque, this motorhome has the strength to tackle steep grades and tow heavy loads with ease. The TorqueShift 10-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth, efficient power, while the four-wheel disc brakes with ABS provide strong, confident stopping power. With a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, you can easily bring along a trailer, boat, or additional vehicle. The F550 chassis also offers exceptional stability and ride comfort, especially when paired with Renegade's premium suspension tuning. On the road, the Veracruz feels solid and well-planted, and thanks to its compact length of just over 30 to 32 feet depending on the floor plan, it's much easier to maneuver than larger Class A motorhomes. The turning radius is tight for a vehicle of its class, and visibility is excellent from the driver's seat. Sound insulation in the cab is impressive, reducing road noise and allowing for a more relaxed driving experience. In terms of features, the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz is loaded. You get automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, duct air conditioning, propane heating, a 2,000-watt inverter, a full water filtration system, and an onboard generator for off-grid adventures. The electrical system is designed to handle extended boondocking, and there are options for solar panels to keep your batteries topped up. Safety features include rear and side view cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, depending on the package you choose. Now let's talk pricing. While exact numbers will vary based on the dealer, options, and floor plan, the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz typically starts in the low $280,000 range and can climb toward $320,000 or more with premium options and upgrades. While that's a serious investment, it's important to remember that the Veracruz is built to a standard that rivals or exceeds many larger luxury coaches, and its build quality, materials, and performance justify the cost for those who want the best in a manageable size. In summary, the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz is a perfect choice for RVers who want the power and durability of a Super C, the maneuverability of a smaller coach, and the luxury of a high-end motorhome. It combines rugged performance with refined comfort, making it ideal for long road trips, cross-country adventures, or even full-time living. Whether you're navigating city streets, exploring national parks, or parking at a scenic campsite, the Veracruz delivers a confident, comfortable, and stylish experience. This has been the 2026 Renegade RV Veracruz motorhome review here on Auto Info Master. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more reviews of the latest RVs, motorhomes, and adventure vehicles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey.